Good afternoon. I am Rizwan with Panache Times, and today I am with Mr. Prasanna Venkatesh, the Sales Manager, Artesyn Embedded Technologies. How are you, sir?
Fine, thank you, Rizwan. How are you?
I'm good, sir. Thank you for asking. So, sir, just wanted to know, what is your experience with Panache Exhibitions?
Actually, in fact, we got associated with Panache actually 2 years, and in fact, one thing we are very happy with their services because as a company we work with the quality service providers. In fact, they are better quality provider, and in fact, they are on time, which is much more important for these kind of events.
So, when you say they have a better quality, so that's exactly what Panache Exhibitions believes in, like quality and timely delivery of the projects. So, you got the same thing.
Yeah, in fact, see, quality, in fact, you can just look around the booth, what they have set it up. In fact, the quality, what they have used, the material, in fact, the finishing wise, it is much better. And time, see, in fact, we don't have much time to go and check the guys, what is work done and all. You just nominate them, they give you what exactly you want. I don't have to brief them how this finishing needs to be, what needs to be done, what has to be done. Nothing has to be narrated. They know what customer expects out of them, and I think they are pretty proactive in what they are doing. In that way, I don't have to brief them what exactly this finish needs to be, and their design is totally very different from the other guys. Because I think here you can have around 350 stalls. Still, it is identical. In fact, I have got a lot of reviews from my other guys also that my stall looks outblowing.
That's really wonderful. So coming from you, appreciating our work, that's exactly what we strive to. We try to provide best quality, on timely delivery of the projects, and that's exactly what we believe in, and we have been doing it, sir. And I hope next time we'll certainly work together. And it was lovely speaking with you, sir. Thank you for your time.
Well, thank you. Pleasure is mine. And in fact, of course, yeah, we should be doing much more events. We have in our roadmap 2-3 more events coming for the 2019, and of course, we will be partners for a long time, for sure.
Great, sir. Looking forward to get associated with you for a longer period and more projects. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.